Prague is the capital of the Czech Republic, and Czech Republic is a extremely beautiful country, extremely scenic country in all respects. I'm completely amazed with the number of tourists from Tamil Nadu who are visiting the Czech Republic annually. Indian food is well appreciated in the Czech Republic. Prague la mutton 90 restaurants irukku. The Czech people like our food a lot. They also like our culture a lot. It's because of that that a good number of them visit Tiruvannamalai as well as Aurobindo ashrams. The Czech Republic is also known for its craft beer, handcrafted beer. The Czech Republic is also very well known for its glass making industry. There is a lot of crystals and glass work that is generated from the Czech Republic. There are 3 brands that the Czech Republic has given to India. Bata vandu oru Czech company nu neriya perukku theriyadu. Bata has been around since the 1920s. Adhe madri another Czech brand is Java motorcycles. Skoda cars is also from the Czech Republic. These are 3 major brands that the Czech Republic has given us. Czech Republic kum Tamil Nadu kum neriya thodarbu irukku. 60-70 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி திருச்சியில் வந்து பாரத் ஹெவி எலக்ட்ரிக்கல்ஸ்னு செட்டப் பண்ணாங்க. அந்த பிளான்ட்டை செட்டப் பண்ண சமயத்தில் Czechoslovakia gave the equipment, technology, engineering to be able to set up this plant in BHEL Trichy. The country is not called Czechoslovakia anymore. 1993 வந்து வெல்வெட் ரெவல்யூஷன் ஒரு சைலண்ட் ரெவல்யூஷன் நடந்தது. அப்போ வந்து இந்த கண்ட்ரி வந்து 2ஆ பிரிஞ்சுது. ஒன்று வந்து செக் ரிப்பப்ளிக்காகவும் இன்னொன்று வந்து ஸ்லோவாக்கியாக்காகவும். So today we are here to talk about Czech Republic, and I am honorary council of the Czech Republic, responsible for Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. Czech Republic oda population வந்து சென்னை அளவு தான் இருக்கும், and the Czech Republic oda GDP வந்து தமிழ்நாடு அளவு தான் இருக்கும். However, the per capita income is 10 times that of Tamil Nadu. So the Czech Republic is an extremely advanced country. Aerospace and defense has been a major industry for the Czech Republic, and that in fact is a major reason why Ambassador as well as his delegation are here with us today. Higher education is another area. We have been conducting seminars connecting Czech universities with Tamil Nadu universities. The idea is to increase the amount of exchange programs, whether it's faculty or even students, between the 2 territories. நம்ம தமிழ்நாடு பற்றி நம்ம பேசணும்னாக்கா, the movie industry here is extremely popular. All of us love movies, different kinds of movies, and we are producing in Tamil Nadu significant number of movies. The interest among the Tamil Nadu community is not just within our own movies. There is a lot of interest in movies of other countries as well. Yes, Czech movies have been conducted in the past. Mr. Tangaraj here tells me that it's been done about 4-5 times already. Our intent is to be able to continue this effort of screening Czech movies. We also hope to be able to partner with ICAF every December as part of the Chennai Film Festival. When we talk about the Czech movie industry, it was definitely influenced by Hollywood, and it certainly flourished in the 60s. The Czech film industry is not as large as Tamil Nadu's, but certainly it has been coming up with good number of movies with very good messages. I would now like to share a few words about Ambassador Milan Hovorka. He was the one who had appointed me 2.5 years ago, and I'm very glad that over the last 2.5 years he has visited Chennai multiple times already. Perhaps he's made about 6-7 trips, I would say, so far. He's supposed to go back to Prague and or take up another assignment. So we would like to wish him the very best, and certainly wish to keep in touch with him. I would also like to share with you that he is today a new proud grandfather. His daughter had a baby girl, Ellen, not too long ago, and he's extremely proud to have taken on this new role. Congratulations again, Ambassador. Mrs. Purnima Bhagiraj has been known to us for a long period of time. In closing, I would also like to talk about Mr. Tangaraj. Mr. Tangaraj has been known to us not too long ago. But when he came to see me in our office, the first thing that I wanted to ask him was his age. Because it's not that he looked very old, but I still wanted to know. And I was shocked to know his age. The amount of energy that he has only told us that we have a lot to learn from him. He has told us that age is only a number, nothing else. As long as there is a very good intent in our mind, we can automatically achieve whatever that needs to be achieved. We are not limited in anything. We have to be able to appreciate him for the work that he's done, and we've been glad to partner with him in this program. As I said, we certainly look forward to continuing this interaction with you, Mr. Tangaraj. And thank you very much to each one of you for having joined us as well.